Menteri Rangba Kejelah ke Arpotrik Unailar ulalom ke Jingelang bat ki Chief Executive Member jangki District Council beper Kejelah banatai sani ke Baydai bat ke Jing temu ke Sorkar Pedeng ban pen kela thamai ki Kendon jangka 6th schedule jangka riti sensyari. Hagani ke Jingelang lawan banishim benta de ki Chief Executive Member jangki District Council usembut Menteri Rangba Kejelah uba Preston Tensong ki Menteri Sorkar ki bakentop uba Lakmen Romboy uba Renikton Lengdok Tongkar bat kiwe-kiwe. Conrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bagletai sani ha kabaydai bat ka amendment bill jang 6th schedule bat kamtam halor gijing ai jingmut ki blai opdiang na ka parliamentary standing committee. Ulong ba ka Sorkar India kelapan biang ki jing ai jingmut na ka Sorkar Jela bat dai halor kani kanongrim ba ulalom ki jingalang banyo banetai sani ha kabaydai bat ka unrepresented tribes ka jing penbon ki seat bat ki kibai. Menteri Rangba ulong bala betha ki Chief Executive Member jang District Council bagin pa ki jing ai jingmut bat la ai por ki shitayo bagin pendap ikene benta bat ka Sorkar kan salumbiang ki jingalang ha ka arpusan trik menta ubnai ban shime karai ka bakat do bat ban pa ki jing ai jingmut sha ka Sorkar Pedeng.
The government of India has again asked us to give in our comments and our suggestions on that. So in order to give those comments and suggestions once again, we have called the meeting of all the district councils so that their viewpoints can also be included. So in the whole process, a number of suggestions were given. We have gone through all the details, whether it is to do with the issues of mentioned in the for the unrepresentative tribe in the nomination, whether the number of seats that were mentioned out there, whether the different elections that have to be held at different levels. So all these factors and all these issues were discussed in large detail, and based on that, once again, all the CEMs have been asked to give in their suggestions, recommendations within the next 1 week, and we'll be having a final meeting on the 25th evening to crystallize on the recommendations from our side, and that will be then submitted to the government. Yeah, so therefore, as I said, almost 95% of the recommendations, suggestions given, including the 10th schedule, application of anti-defection law, including that has been accepted, including the suggestions that we should have the Finance Commission funding. So all the major decisions have been included. So those we are very happy and thankful that they have been included. And there are certain concerns that are there, which we are ironing out. And that's the reason why, again and again, we are doing consultation. And we are hopeful that we will be able to come to a consensus and we'll be able to take this amendment forward.